When it comes to duct cleaning, what works better, a duct truck or a portable? First, we need to look at each of the two. The duct truck was first developed about 50 years ago, and it works by running a long hose from the truck out on the street to your furnace inside the house. Most duct trucks have around 12,000 CFMs of suction, which is very powerful. But the drawback is a lot of this suction is lost in the long hoses to get from the street into the house, meaning that the suction at the furnace is probably closer to 6,000 CFMs at the hookup point. Still a lot of suction and more than enough to do a great job. New portable duct vacuums work a little different, and it is important to note that not all portable units are the same. Portable duct vacuums run right next to the furnace and use only a few feet of hose, meaning suction is not lost in the hose length, and even better, all the warm air is not being sucked out of your customer's home on a cold winter day. But which is better? Well, if you are using a portable duct vacuum, then it depends on which portable you use. Some portables only offer about 2,000 to 2,500 CFMs, not really enough to give you the suction you need. The HYPERVAC Revolution Hybrid is no ordinary portable duct vacuum. It is extremely powerful and about double the suction of most other portable duct vacuums. It's so powerful the suction actually compares to what many duct trucks provide at the furnace. So in conclusion, portable duct vacuums can work just as well as a duct truck, providing the suction is comparable. And in some applications where duct trucks would have to use extra long hose, portables can actually outperform. HYPERVAC Technologies. Our tools make you better.